Welcome to Software Engineering. My name is Christopher Kalavainen. I will be one of your lecturers for the duration of the course. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety as we will cover some important dates and deadlines for the first few weeks of the course. So let's get started. This course is a project-based course where you'll be working on a software project for the duration of the course together with a team of 5 other students. Already on Wednesday next week, we will have our first official session where we will meet at 10 in this place of the atrium. So if you're not sure where this is if you enter the New Charleus building and you walk past the computer halls, the LIAC computer rooms, and you keep going until the very end of the corridor, you'll end up at this place. So here we will meet at 10, where you will be able to find your group members and also peruse what different projects there are available. You are able to choose your group members freely, but we have some restrictions to ensure that each bachelor program is evenly represented. So for the smaller 3 bachelor programs, the Informatica and Economy, Informatica and Bioinformatics, Informatica and Mathematics, each group can contain at most 2 members. And from Informatica, a group can have at most 3 members. And lastly, for the largest cohort, which is data science and AI, each group can contain no more than 4 members from this bachelor program. So within these restrictions, you're free to choose group members. Remember, groups should be of size 6 people. Then on Thursday, we'll have our first introductory lecture. There will also be a mini deadline accompanying this lecture where on Thursday you need to submit the project bid of the group. So what is a project bid? Well, it is a preference order where you stipulate which projects you're most interested with, together with a brief motivation for why your group is especially suited to complete this project. Then on Friday, the group matching will be completed. It's done by Ludev. So then you will receive information on which project you're matched with, who your client is, and their contact details, so forth. Then the work group takes place on Fridays between 1 and 5. And for this work group, you will also submit your first proper deadline. This first proper deadline is to do with preparing an agenda for the first client meeting, which takes place the week after. So in the week after, on Monday, you have an additional deadline to contact the client to arrange your first meeting. So all of our clients have been made aware that students will reach out to them and they should have a time slot available on Wednesday, which overlaps with the scheduled work group for Wednesday, so between 9 and 1. So then on Wednesday, you will conduct this first client meeting where you, on your own accord, arrange a time and place where you can meet with your clients to initiate your project work. So this is zooming out of the first 2 weeks of the course, so you get an overview of what's to come. So the important date is here, the Wednesday that we all meet in the atrium to make sure you can form your group and have a group to start working on. And then there are these deadlines spread across where you need to email the clients, have your first client meeting. There's also going to be weekly deadlines forthcoming. More information on that later. Without further ado, I will pass you over to Ludev, who have been busy working on acquiring the projects for you during last semester. So I give the word to them.
Hi, welcome to the software engineering course of this year. I hope you are just as eager as we are to get started. We are the Ludev board of this year, and let's first introduce ourselves. I'm Catherine, the CEO, and I'm responsible of the overall direction and management of Ludev.
I'm Jort, I'm this year's Chief Technical Officer. I'm not only responsible for our own technical infrastructure, but also for the technical feasibility of this year's software projects.
Hello, I'm Mark. I'm the Chief Operating Officer, and that means I oversee the Ludev plans and I organize the implementation of tasks.
And I'm Sanne, the Chief Communication Officer, and I'm responsible for communicating with partnering organizations.
So, over the past semester, we have been very busy connecting with companies, organizations, and researchers to collect a diverse range of projects specifically for you. These projects will help you gain a lot of real-world experience in the field of software development, and it will also help strengthen your soft skills, including communication and collaboration with fellow students. We and our clients are very excited to be working with you this year.
During the course, we will remain actively involved. Mainly, we can offer mediation between student teams and clients in case of issues. We will give lectures and tutorials that touch upon practical topics, such as web development and deployment. Some of us will even be mentoring select student groups, and we will be organizing some bits of the course that make it extra fun. More on this later.
We have prepared quite a diverse set of projects for you to work on this semester, so we are confident that you can find one to your liking. To get started, first navigate to our homepage ludev.nl, and in the top right corner, press the big blue button called Student Portal. After logging in with your university credentials, you can get started with group formation. Once you have formed a group, you as a group can get started on project bidding. It should be taken into account that some of the projects can be perceived more difficult than others, but this should not worry you too much, as we will take this into account during grading. So, what matters most is that you pick the projects that fit you as a group best.
At the end of the course, you will showcase your project at the project fair. This will give you an opportunity to demonstrate your work to your client, your friends, and your fellow students. Each team will have a chance to win an award. These awards include the best Scrum execution, the best marketing execution, and the best overall execution. The prizes that these teams will be rewarded with is a LEAX goodie bag as well as a budget for a fun team activity. All the details will be announced later on Brightspace.
We really look forward to seeing what you build this semester, and we wish you the best of luck and hope you enjoy this course. Bye!
Bye.